Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be sharing a recipe for a spicy hot honey salmon bites. So guys, without further hesitation, let's jump straight into the video. So here I have some salmon already washed and cleaned and cut into small pieces. I have some green seasoning. I have some complete Cajun and Old Bay and some cornstarch. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add my seasoning. So I'm going to go in with my green seasoning and my spice blend. Of course, you could use whatever spice blend you like. So I'm just going to massage this and cover it and allow this to sit for about 30 minutes. Now it's time for cooking. I'm just going to go ahead and coat this generously in the cornstarch. Yes guys, the fish tends to break a lot because it's a very tender piece of protein, so I'm going to use the cornstarch to create a light crust. So I'm just going to toss this, let it sit for a bit, and then fry them off. So here in my hot oil, I'm just going to go ahead and fry these off. These took around 6 to 7 minutes to cook completely. You just want to make sure that you get a nice crust on the outside. So halfway through, I'm just going to go ahead and flip these and allow them to cook all the way through until we have nice golden brown color. Now this is the color we are looking for. We're going to go ahead, remove these from the oil and continue on with the rest of them using the same step, flipping them halfway through until they are fully cooked. Now that these are done, we're going to remove from the oil and move on to our sauce. So in a heated saucepan, I'm just going to go in with some butter and allow this to melt. I'm going to go in with some chili flakes. We're going to give this a mix. We're going to go in with some honey. And of course, I will leave a written measurement down in the description box for this recipe, for this entire thing that I'm making. So you could go ahead and check it out. Now I'm going to go in with some vegetable stock, but of course you could use fish stock, chicken stock, or even water, whatever you have. And I'm going to go in with some slurry. The slurry is just a mixture of cornstarch and some more of that vegetable stock. And I'm going to give this a good mix, allow this to thicken up a bit. And of course you want to make sure you taste as you go along. So here I'm just going to add a bit of salt to taste. And for a bit more spiciness and tanginess, I'm just going to go in with some hot sauce. And that's basically it for the sauce, guys. The sauce is nice and ready. This sauce was super delicious. It was sweet, spicy, tangy, and all of the above. Now you could go ahead and reserve some for dipping, which I did. So I'm going to go ahead, add my salmon bites, give these a good toss. And these are great appetizer, great snack, whatever you want to have it with, or any time of day you want to have it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I plate this up. I plate this up and add a couple slices of lemon, a little citrus for the extra zip. And that's it. I thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.